Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and do an Ulta haul because I went to Ulta yesterday and I recently placed an Ulta order online, so I thought I would just combine it, kind of share with y'all what I got. It's kind of a mixture of some makeup, some body care, some perfume that is so good. I cannot wait to share with y'all because it basically immediately became a new favorite for me. I feel like I haven't done a haul like this in a while, so I hope you enjoy. Let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so I've got my bag here and I'm just gonna kind of pick as I go. So one of the main things that I actually needed whenever I was walking into Ulta was a new sugar scrub. So I picked up this one just from the Ulta beauty line. It's called the Sugared Vanilla Scented Body Scrub. And I just really like body scrubs. I normally always exfoliate before I shave my legs, and I'll pretty much exfoliate my whole body just because, you know, who doesn't like super soft skin? So I normally use one from Tree Hut, but I just thought I would try something different. And this does smell pretty good. I really love a classic vanilla scent, so I'm excited about it, excited to try it. I feel like it's not hard to do a sugar scrub right. They had a bunch of different smells too, they had a coconut cream one, they had a rose petals one, so I was tempted to pick up more, but I'm like, let me just start off with one. So I went with sugared vanilla. So when I went in, I wasn't planning on picking up any makeup, but I ended up grabbing just 3 little things. So the first one is gonna be the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Sugar High. I wanna say that this was part of a newer collection. It was on one of the outside displays, and I'm pretty sure I've never owned a NYX Butter Gloss, but I always hear people talk about them. So this was just the lightest shade. I thought it was really pretty, and I was like, you know what, may as well just try it out. And I am wearing it today. I feel like it looks really, really nice for being a super light shade. It's not getting you know, the weird thing that really light glosses do. It's not separating or anything like that. It's very comfy, super, super glossy. So, I mean, from just wearing it for a little while now, I would say that I'm definitely a fan. Not mad at this purchase at all, and I could see getting more colors. I don't know what's wrong with me, why I've been sleeping on this formula for so long, but I really like it. So like I said, that's the shade Sugar High. Let's go ahead and do a little swatch for you right there. So it's not super opaque, but it's definitely not sheer either, and this one's just kind of a light neutral pink. I also picked up a Poopery. This is the Before You Go toilet spray, and I just grabbed the lavender vanilla scent, and this is one of the little mini ones. I just thought it would be good to throw in my purse, and I was talking about one of these the other day, and I was talking about how legit they are because I used Poopery a really long time ago, and I'm it's actually amazing, how good it smells. And I don't know, I was just having a conversation, so when I saw it in Ulta and I saw the little minis, I was like, that's so cute. That's so nice to be able to buy, so I just wanted to pick up one. I also picked up a backup from ColourPop. This is their brow gel in the shade Blonde, which is actually what I have in my eyebrows right now. Oops, just dropped it. I have the one, I bought this maybe 2 months or so ago, but it's brow gel. It's not gonna last that long, but I absolutely love the shade. I love the formula, big fan. I like it more than the essence. It's now my holy grail brow gel. So I had a ColourPop order in mind, and I filled up my cart and I had one of these in there, but then I didn't end up going through with the order. I was like, maybe I'll just wait for a site-wide sale, yada yada. So I didn't end up placing it, and when I saw this in Ulta, I was like, oh perfect, I'll just go ahead and grab it because it's the one thing that I actually needed from that pretend order that I was building. So yeah, I have the shade Blonde. It's a new staple. So the perfume that I picked up is the new God is a Woman perfume from Ariana Grande. It is so good. So it says that it's clean ingredients, vegan, cruelty-free. The reusable base is made from 60% plant-based sustainable material. It's a recyclable carton. Here's what it looks like, and the bottle is just not giving it to me. I don't know, there's just something about it. This just doesn't, it feels kind of flimsy, and I feel like you have to pick it up out of it in order to use it, and it's just not my favorite. It's cool because the outside part is reusable and everything, so I do like that. I just wish that maybe it was a little shorter or something, or that this stuck a little better, there was a little less room, because something about it, it just is not aesthetically pleasing to me. But the actual smell of this perfume is so good, It's very sweet. I'm terrible at describing scents, so I just pulled up the notes really quickly. The fragrance family is fruity musk. The top notes are ambrette and juicy pear. The middle are orris, Turkish rose petals, and then the base is Madagascar vanilla and creamy cedarwood, and it just smells delicious. It was a blind buy, it was an impulse buy, but it ended up working out really well. And also, like, I get a lot of compliments when I'm wearing it, and I just love that. Like, who doesn't love being told that you smell good? So it's definitely a favorite. And when I purchased that, I actually got this bag for free as well. It's like a free gift with purchase from Ulta. And there was another free gift. So I got 4 different Dolce & Gabbana perfumes, like just little baby samples for free as well. I've actually never smelt any of these. I haven't gone through and tested them yet, but I've heard good things about Light Blue. The Dolce Garden one I feel like is gonna be right up my alley. Look at this little bottle, it is so cute. I love floral scents, so that's the little mini I'm the most excited about. The reason I even wanted to go into Ulta yesterday is because after getting God is a Woman, I wanted to smell Cloud, because that's a different Ariana Grande perfume that a lot of people talk about and hype up, and it's supposed to be more of a sweet scent, so I was really excited to try it, and I was like thinking of maybe purchasing it. But then when I went in store and smelled it, I hated it. It was just not for me at all. So I'm glad that I didn't impulsively buy that one. And then I'm pretty sure this made it on my thumbnail, but this was definitely an impulse purchase. I didn't even know that this was a thing, but it is so cute. I could not help myself. Ulta did a collaboration with Gilmore Girls, so I just saw this set and died. There's like a little Luke's coffee cup. I just thought it was so, so cute. It was like $16 for the set, so for a coffee cup. And then there's an almond milk body milk moisturizer and a caramel latte scented shower gel. I'm like, that is the most adorable little set ever. I figure, I mean, I've never tried like a body milk moisturizer, so I'll give that a chance for sure. Who doesn't need more shower gel? Or I could just throw it in my guest bathroom, and then I have the cutest little Luke's coffee cup, so I really liked it. And then lastly, I also picked up a tinted moisturizer from L'Oreal. This is the Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Fair 01. It says awaken fresh glow with luminous coverage, 24-hour hydration. And I feel like I heard Samantha March talk about this and say that it was really good, or maybe I saw her try it on a TikTok and it looked really good. So I was just curious because I've been loving skin tints so much. I've got one from ColourPop, Fenty Beauty, NYX, and I just wanted to go ahead and give this one a shot and just see how it compared. And like I said, I feel like I heard good things about it, so I'm actually wearing this today. I mean, I have a bunch of makeup over it, so you can't really tell what it's doing. I just applied a little bit with my fingers and blended it in. I'm curious to try it as more of like a foundation, use a brush, use a little bit more product, and give it another shot. But just the way that I used it today, I really liked it. I feel like it gave like a very natural, fresh glow. I set it with powder and it still had a little bit of a glow to it, and it's not sticky at all or anything like that. So I thought, on first impression, I like it. Also, just because I'm sure I'll get a question or two about L'Oreal, because I haven't bought from them in so long, and I think that technically they're not considered cruelty-free, and I've got a few comments about this, but it's just not something I really focus on anymore. I feel like it's not a black and white issue. It's very complex. There's a lot of laws being made currently, and a lot of brands are no longer going to be testing on animals, and there's like different loops and this and that. And I just decided like stop putting so much weight on myself about it. And plus there's so many things that make a brand ethical or unethical beyond just cruelty-free status. So yeah, if you're curious, that's my little 2 cents. But I really, like, if you feel differently, if you don't agree, that's completely fine. All right, so that's everything that I picked up from Ulta. I feel like this was more of like a hodgepodge situation compared to normal, where my Ulta hauls would be just complete makeup. But it's because I haven't been buying that much makeup. It's just been very minimal, at least my version of minimal. So I hope you enjoyed the video regardless, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.